Dini, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. Today's topic is combination of resistance in basics of electricals. The topics to be delivered today is introduction, combination of resistance, voltage division rule, advantages, disadvantages, and applications. Practically, we have to connect many resistors in order to get a desired resistance value for the desired applications. The resistance can be connected in three combinations. First one is series combination, parallel combination, or series parallel combination. Here we are going to see about the series combination. If the resistors are connected end to end, the combination is said to be series. That is, the starting end of one resistance is connected with the ending end of other resistance, and ending of one resistance is connected to the starting of other resistance, and it goes by. This is said to be a series combination. The voltage source is being connected at the free ends of this resistors. Here we are connected R1, R2 and R3 in series with a voltage source as Vs. Because we have only one closed loop for this circuit, the current I flows in this circuit. The current I will be one and the same in all the resistance which are being connected in this circuit, whereas the voltage divides as V1, V2 and V3. So voltage source V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, that is applied voltage is equal to your V1 plus V2 plus V3. This voltage divides here depending upon your resistance values. In this series combination, we have to find the equivalent resistance. So, by using Ohm's law, we can find the equivalent resistance, that is V1 equal to I into R1 and V2 equal to I into R2 and V3 equal to I into R3. We know that V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So, instead of a V1, V2 and V3, we are going to substitute with I into R1 plus I into R2 plus I into R3. Because I is constant, so it is I into R1 plus R2 plus R3, that's equal to I into RT, where RT equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. The important points of this series combination is that the current is same through all the resistors. The voltage is divided, and the division of this voltage depends upon the proportional to its resistance. The powers are additive here. The applied voltage is equal to the sum of voltage drops. The total resistance is equal to the sum of individual resistance. Next, you have to find out what are the individual voltages in a resistance. For that, by using Ohm's law, we know that I equal to V by RT. I equal to V by RT, that's equal to V by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So, in order to find V1, we know that V1 equal to I into R1, that's equal to, instead of I, we are going to substitute with V by RT. So, V into R1 by RT, that's equal to V into R1 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Same way, V2 equal to I into R2, that's equal to V into R2 by RT, that's equal to V into R2 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Same way, V3 equal to V into R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So, the rule states that voltage in a particular resistance is equal to the total voltage into same resistance value to the total resistance. That is, Vn equal to V into Rn by RT. Application of this series combination is that a fan regulator is a application where we can see it. Next is a decoration of lights. Whenever we are in need of a low voltage for any load from a high voltage supply, the series combination of resistance is recommended. Advantages of the series combination is that series combination circuits can be used to connect small voltages and obtain a high voltage, and high voltages can be reduced by connecting resistance in series with the circuits. And also series circuits provides reduced and controlled currents by connecting resistance in series. Disadvantages of this series circuit is that if any breaks takes place at any point in the circuit, the current will not flow to the rest of the circuit, so that the entire circuit becomes useless. The appliances which are connected in series have only one switch, due to which they cannot be turned on and off or controlled individually. The appliances which are being connected in series combination, here the voltage divides so that the appliances will not get enough voltage to function successfully. The equivalent resistance in series combinations will be more or too high, so that the amount of current flowing will be very minimum. These are the greatest disadvantages of this series circuit. Thank you.